This is Planet Pulse for Monday, June 6th. The moon is in Leo today. I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine. The moon in Leo is lively, it's lovable, it's laughing, it's lucky, it's loyal. Leo is an outgoing energy, it's spontaneous, but it holds the fire in a position. It's not like Aries fire that flares up and then burns out. The Leo moon is still there. It's still there.
Yeah, that's great. Leo is a fixed sign, which is why it can sustain the warmth, the creativity, the love, and as Rick said, the loyalty that it represents. I always think about with the moon in Leo, there are two ways we can go. If we're confident in ourselves, if we're self-confident, the moon in Leo is an opportunity to not only be creative, but to be generous. But when we're insecure at Leo time, then we're infantile and we need all of the attention. And if you find out that you're dancing a little bit too much foolishly, take a step back, take a breath, and think about what you could give others rather than requiring quite so much.
Do you want my pen? Look at me, look at me, look at me. Give me my pen back.
All right.
I think that really, what you just said is actually about Leo in general.
Absolutely,
I mean,
yes.
certainly the Leo moon highlights that, but there's two sides of Leo. It's the self-confidence that has the ability to take the center stage and do it in a way that, as you said, is generous. And then there's the insecure side that maybe becomes overly confident and boastful in a false kind of way because it's not sure of its own place. Now, interestingly enough, today, I think we can slip into that overdoing side because we have the sun forming a half a square, a semi-square with Jupiter. And so there's that tendency to kind of go into the boastful, self-aggrandizing kind of, I can't say it, I can't do it.
Yeah, I think that's really a good point. And what Rick is doing is what good astrology is about, which is to synthesize the various elements that are in play, whether we're talking about collective transits for the day, cycles in an individual's life or in a personality level. That's really how good astrology works. And Rick, you pointing out that sun semi-square, that stressful angle to expansive Jupiter does tend to inflame the ego side of the moon in Leo. I'm Jeff Jower.
And for Planet Pulse, I'm Rick Levine.